I don't know if you get the gravity of this situation. All hooked up, ready to roll. Our trip continues. Next stop, Hutchinson, Kansas, for the National HDT Rally.
Are you even the slightest worried that I'll move on and walk right out? I'm up all night, keep pretending, save the world. I'm up all night, keep talking, yeah. Worried that I'm out of
Yes, we need fuel. For like the second time in about 3.5 months, we're actually putting some miles on these tires and on the rig, and yeah, we're stopping to get some fuel. So we left spacecraft and we're heading to the National Rally, and that's why we need fuel, because we've already put like 1,000 miles or so since we left Augusta. So it's kind of actually nice to need fuel now. So we're going.
We're rolling.
Oh, okay. Hi everyone.
Hi.
Welcome to the channel. So we're like 50 miles outside of our destination, Hutchinson, Kansas.
And it's not dark 30 in the morning either.
No. It's getting ready to be dark 30 at night.
Yeah.
But we should get there, I'm thinking, maybe around sunset.
Sunset, a little bit after, yeah.
So not too bad. But it's been a good day, good travel day.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we got away late with the truck being fixed, and we were kind of like in that in-between. You know, it's like, do we stay?
Yeah.
And, you know, or just get on the road?
Yeah, it was 2 o'clock, and we have had about a 5-hour drive, so it's like, what do you do?
Yep.
You know?
So we jump in the truck and go.
Yeah, we just go.
Yeah. But I'm feeling, you know, I feel like I'm going kind of coastal and a little international today on this road.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
How's that?
Well, because this road we passed by Williamsburg and Pomona, Kansas. Well, you know, Pomona, California, and Williamsburg, Virginia. That's a coastal. So I'm kind of feeling coastal.
Coastalish. Well, I thought because we're on Highway 50, which is coast to coast.
That's true.
The loneliest highway, and it's pretty lonely out here.
Yeah, there's not much out here.
No.
But also, it's a little international feeling too, you know?
Okay.
Yeah, because we passed by Ottawa, like Canada, Ottawa, Kansas, and
Greetings,
Florence.
Canadians.
And Florence.
Italy.
That's right.
Okay.
Yeah. So a little bit of everything on this trip. Coast to coast and across the pond.
Here we go, yeah.
And the border. All right, so yeah, heading to the HDT Rally. We're going to have fun. We're not going to do anything.
Like nothing?
Nothing.
Not even like go to the seminars?
Well, we're going to do
the
that.
potlucks or the food?
Yeah, I'll do all that stuff,
Oh,
but that's
okay.
like fun stuff. We're not going to like work.
We're not going to work, yeah.
That's right. We're taking it easy this week.
Yeah.
So we're going to bring you guys along. Thanks for tuning in.
Thank you.
So on this route, we're going through Newton, Kansas. I don't know if you get the gravity of this situation.
So bad, mister.
Couldn't help myself.
This is what happens when you're on the loneliest road. Highway US 50. His mind starts to wander.
Yes.
Getting closer.
Yeah, so not too long of a drive day today, but Always nice to get into some familiar territory.
Definitely.
But it wasn't familiar the first several times we came here.
No, it was not. First time we followed the GPS exactly the way it said.
Yes.
And then...
that was a mistake.
Yes, big, huge mistake. And then, because then it has you go down these roads.
Yeah, so the first time it took us down a cobblestone street.
Well, we did the zigzag in front of Tractor Supply.
Yes.
And then, and that was challenging. And then once we got through all that and we were going down 17th Street, then it told us to turn on, I forgot what road it was. And we ended up going down this cobblestone street with really low-hanging leaves or trees or limbs.
Yes.
And then we went down Poplar. So Poplar is like the main entrance there into the campground.
That's right. More of an approved way.
Yeah, but let me tell you, it's just all those low-hanging trees. It was unbelievable.
Yeah, that was, man, no fun. And a cobblestone wasn't any fun either.
No, not at all.
But if you come too early, sometimes the gate, the north gate, is closed.
Yeah, now Steve V, he's the rally coordinator. He's really good about coming in early now and working with the
fairgrounds.
The fairgrounds, and so they'll have what they call the north gate open.
Yeah, which is nice.
So if you're coming in from the west, if you're coming in from the east and the south, and then what we like to do is we like to come in on Plum Street, which is coming up here.
Yes. And making that turn.
Now that is, it is I call it a tight right-hand turn.
It is.
Because it's really, we only have like 2 lanes, and then, you have to swing really wide into the oncoming left lane.
That's right. You kind of hope that there's no one in that turn lane.
Yeah.
So, but we're very fortunate, and I guess with our size, people will sort of see that we're turning and they chicken and stop short.
But we're coming in at night, so hopefully there's not going to be a lot of traffic.
That's
right. Now, if you're coming in from the north, the GPS is going to take you through some neighborhoods and around a roundabout, and there is no way you can make an HDT can make it around a roundabout.
No way. So that's one of the few roundabouts that I don't want to go on.
No. So we're coming in here. Man, there's some puddling.
Oh yeah, I guess they've had some rain.
Yeah, they had
here.
some rain, and so the fairgrounds were campground was pretty squishy, and
we heard parts of it were flooded.
Yeah, parts of it flooded, and I saw some things on Facebook where some people got not stuck, but made some pretty bad ruts.
Yes, so not real great.
So hopefully, and we have no idea. So I'll say it's first come, first serve. And back in years past, they would they stuck us all on one side.
Yes, we didn't have much of a choice.
No, but now everyone's spreading out, taking up 2 sites basically, lengthwise, not just so much widthwise.
So I hope that we can get this one site.
Yeah, so a lot of people, so we used to all navigate on the east side of the campground. Now a lot of people are starting to go over to the west side, but there's this one special spot that we've been eyeing for, 10 years now?
Yeah, about 10 years, and someone always gets it.
Yeah.
And so we're hoping this year maybe we can get it.
Yeah, now they had a rally here, some other rally, and they said everybody cleared out. So
and we're getting here several days early before the rally starts.
Right. So hopefully we'll hit it just right.
Yeah, hopefully. That would be really nice. Because, this is our, 10th?
Yeah, this is our 10th anniversary. 10 years ago this week, we were arriving for the very first time in our brand new rig.
That's right, but all this looks very familiar.
Yeah, which is nice.
Which is really nice.
As a first timer, it can be really intimidating because you don't know where to park. You know, you don't,
That's right.
check in and whatnot.
I still
so-
don't like coming in at night.
No, that's never fun.
No. So, man, there's some people that are parked there, and parked there. So, all right. Well, let's go around and check and see if that one site is
open.
available. That would be nice.
A few people out and about.
Yeah. Everybody knows your name.
And if they don't, they will.
Yeah.
So if you are an introvert, this is not the place to be.
Definitely not. So the rally's nice to make new friends, meet up with old. So let's see what's going on around this
available.
corner here.
Man, I can't believe how many people are already here.
Oh, I know. Man.
Is that it?
Oh, man. Nice. I think so.
Is it really? Why isn't anybody parked in it?
I don't know.
Is it flooded?
It doesn't look like it.
It looks pretty dry.
All right. Let's do it.
Yay! Took 10 years, but we finally got it.
All right, so we will start the rally in just
Yeah.
a few days.
A few days, and we've got a couple of people out here coming up to, I don't know, help us in. I don't know. Or tell us you can't park there. I don't
can't
know.
park there,
So,
no.
yeah, this is going to be. So I guess we're gonna turn on all the lights and
Yes,
get us all situated.
yes.
Cool. All right. Well, let's do it.
Let's do it. Let's get packed in and parked and start our rally week.
Woohoo.
Drive the same roads every day. We both get there our own way. Thistle and an apple tree. How different two souls can be. But we both grow from the same sorrow. If we both know we'll be together tomorrow, I can be like a tree in the wind. Same old roots, but I can bend, turning to understand and sway together.